Nau mai haere mai, ki te haikura o tātara.
Welcome to Taradale High School.
I'm Michaela Purcell-Mainini.
And I'm Jack Evans.
And we're your heads of school for 2021.
Hi guys, I'm Joel and I'm your Deputy Head Boy for 2021. I'm looking forward to meeting all of you as the year goes on.
Hey, I'm Tom.
And I'm Morgan.
And we're your Heads of Sport for 2021.
This year we're really focusing on participation and getting everyone involved.
See us around school, feel free to ask any questions.
Hi everyone, I'm Phoebe, Head of the Fitness Centre. My plans for this year is making sure that everyone gets involved in house and school events, as well as having 2 leaders go to the Fitness Centre twice or once a week just to have lunch.
Kia ora everyone, I'm Carly Morrison and I'm your Head of Wellbeing and Community Welfare this year. Something that I really want to focus on doing is eliminating the idea that it's embarrassing to ask for help and raising awareness of mental health throughout our school. We've already had the Valentine's fundraiser this year and I'm really excited to see what else we have in place with the other fundraisers and plans that we have going.
Hey guys, I'm Isaac Bay, your Head of International Students of this year. Come and see me if you need any help.
Ow! Hello everyone, my name is Charlie and I'm the Head of Peer Sport for 2021. Part of my role is to make sure that our peer sport leaders are supported in their roles and to make form time as fun as possible.
Hi, I'm Talia Whiteshaw and I'm your Head of Environment for 2021. I have heaps of ideas on how we can make our school cleaner and greener, but I need your help to make these ideas into a reality. If you want to be part of this, come join the Enviro group.
Hi, I'm Emma Finlay and I'm your Deputy Head Girl and these are our Heads of Māori.
Kia ora, ko Taylor Gregory toku ingoa. Ko Jasmine Savage toku ingoa. And we're your Heads of Māori for 2021. Our goals this year are encouraging students with te reo and embracing our culture. Kia ora.
Hey guys, I'm Izzy.
And I'm Sam.
And we're your Heads of Drama for 2021.
We've got a lot planned this year, including a week-long arts festival and a student-led production in term 2. And our aim this year is to make sure that the work that art students do is acknowledged and appreciated.
So if you want to get involved at all, either on stage or backstage, come find us. Hope you guys have a good year.
Hi, I'm Holly.
And I'm Sam.
And we're your Heads of Music for 2021.
We're really excited to see you all in the music rooms this year.
I'm also helping out with the Rainbow Club this year. It'll be held on Wednesday lunchtimes at 8:12. In case you've forgotten the last 10 seconds, I'm Holly.
And my name's Sutton.
And we're your Heads of Technology for 2021.
Our goals this year are a technology expo
and a student-led tech support system.
Hi, I'm Kayla. I'm the Head of Functions for this year. My main role this year is planning the big social events of the year, such as the Ball and Junior Social. My main goal this year is getting as much student input as possible, so don't hesitate to let me know of any ideas you have.
I'm Nicole.
And I'm Dan.
Your Heads of Academic.
One of our main goals for 2021 is to put more organisation and possibly training into in-school quizzes like the science and geography quizzes.
So if you're interested in that side of things, keep an eye on the notices throughout the year for meetings and trainings. We're also having some seniors help out tutoring our junior classes, so keep an eye out for them in your class.
Hope you enjoy getting to know our enthusiastic leaders.
If you see us around school,
feel free to come and say hi.
We're always here to awhi and tautoko you all.